SPM, English Paper 2. SPM, English Paper 2.
Model question. The No Smoking, Anti-Smoking Campaign. Your school is having a month-long, A Healthy Body campaign. As president of the health club of your school, you decide to give a speech on the No Smoking campaign, recently launched by the government. Model answer. A very good morning to our dear principal, Mr. Daniel Chong, teachers, and students. A few years ago, our former Prime Minister, Tun Abdul Razak, launched an anti-smoking campaign called No Smoking. You can now see this short and rhyming catchphrase No Smoking everywhere, on billboards, posters, TV ads, and sometimes I even hear it on the radio. Though some people have criticized our government for setting aside a staggering sum of Rs 100 million over 5 years for the campaign, it is nothing compared to the huge amounts that tobacco companies spend to promote smoking. But in this war against smoking, money definitely talks. It is necessary for the No Smoking campaign to constantly remind us of the hazards of smoking because about 50 Malaysian teenagers light up for the first time every day. In fact, some of these youths progress steadily from this to regular use, with addiction taking hold within a few years. And this is despite the warning on every pack of cigarettes that states unequivocally, smoking is dangerous to your health. What can the No Smoking campaign do to combat this? Their aggressive advertising creates media awareness among the public, especially among the fashionable young crowd, that smokers have yellowed teeth and suffer from shortness of breath, and tells them that it is not cool to smoke. It is also not responsible of them to affect non-smokers with second-hand smoke. Also, there is a succession of infomercials on TV and in the papers showing the debilitating effects of tobacco addiction on the body and gruesome statistics of smoke-related deaths. We are now familiar with the graphic pictures of damaged lungs on billboards, which should scare people into not smoking. This works, as I know some of my friends are quitting now, or trying to reduce the number of cigarettes they smoke per week. However, I feel any anti-smoking campaign is more effective if other people and organizations are actively involved too. Yes, the first steps have been taken by the top, but sad to say, many of our politicians smoke themselves. Nearer to home, so do some of our parents and teachers. These adults have to be good role models by not smoking themselves. If they do smoke, they should tell their children and students that they regret that they ever started, and then take steps to quit smoking as soon as possible. They must practice what they preach. On a more positive note, I commend the Malaysian Amateur Athletic Union for its zero tolerance of smoking, because they know that smoking and health just do not mix. How can our sportsmen excel if they cannot stop smoking? Dear teachers and students, thank you for your attention. Let me end my speech by reiterating that smoking is a bad habit, so make no smoking your mantra. If you have started smoking, say no smoking and quit. And if you haven't started, don't, because we all know that smoking not only damages your health, but you are also literally burning your money.
Vocabulary Guide. Staggering, shocking. Staggering, shocking. Vocabulary Guide. Unequivocally, without any doubt whatsoever, debilitating, weakening. Unequivocally, without any doubt whatsoever, debilitating, weakening. Vocabulary Guide. Mantra, word or phrase which is often repeated and which usually expresses a firm belief. Mantra, word or phrase which is often repeated and which usually expresses a firm belief.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.